Hello and welcome to Talk Audio TV. Adam Rayner at Brands Hatch at the 4th round of the European Mobile Multimedia Association Sound Off Series, and well, there's been all kinds of stuff going on in the sunshine, but now I'm sat in a car that again I should have listened to ages ago, and it is just breathtakingly beautiful. In common with so many other ones, the owner likes to listen to close microphone girly vox because it's like you can kiss it. Anyway, enough of me. This is Mr. Dave Legg. Hello, Dave. You're right, Governor.
All right, mate. Not bad.
Good. Now, Dave is a man who's been involved in sound off so long that I'm not even allowed to actually say how long it is. But you've been doing this as long as I've been involved, haven't you, sir?
Not quite as long.
Not quite as long. So I'm older than you. But fact is Dave's car is absolutely gorgeous. Let's just zooming in on this A-pillar here. You've entered and won in just about every single sound off competition format that exists, Dave, haven't you?
Apart from SPL.
Apart from SPL, SQ formats, yes.
Yes, SQ.
Because you're about gorgeously fabulous installations and astonishing sound. Even this head unit in the dashboard here, this, if we can get in close in on that, that's a Carrozzeria, which is a Japan market specialist. What's the model number of that?
That's RSD7X3.
RSD7X3, so that's right up there with the ODR type unit, I take it. But
it is the Japanese home market ODR.
Cool. And you reckon maybe even slightly better than the UK one, huh? Oh, going
absolutely.
Into maybe not comment, but it's just the quality installation is beautiful. Like that's Margley face on hiding behind the camera there. But this is just one of the most beautiful cars. So, how many trophies have you got at home, Dave? Could you hazard to guess?
Shipped them all out, binned loads, years and years ago.
It's not for collecting the trophies, it's for the good quality sound. And
yeah.
I was talking to your good lady, and she was explaining that you have a passion for this and that you'll sit all day in a car explaining and teaching people just to hope to ignite the passion in a few others.
That's the only reason I came back into it.
Oh, dude. That makes you one of my heroes, Mr. Legg. You're an absolute star. You are sound off aristocracy. Thank you very much, Dave. Privileged listening to your car. It is beautiful. God, I wish more people could get to listen to it. Pioneer ODR kicking ass at Emma here in the sunshine at Brands Hatch. Adam Rayner signing off at Talk Audio TV. Thanks, Dave.
Okay, no problem. Bye now.